Guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon cupcake. So, cupcakes come in lots of different shapes and sizes. So, there's lots of different ways to do this. So, I'm just going to show you guys a basic way on how to make this. So, to start off, we are going to begin with the bottom of the cupcake, and I'm just going to start by making a line that just kind of curves a little bit. So it doesn't have to go straight across and just has a little bit of curve to it. Next, we want to make the sides. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes up at a diagonal. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Just go up at a diagonal. Try to keep them about the same size. Now, from here to here, I want to make a little zigzag pattern. So I'm just going to draw some lines that go down and then back up like this. And I'm going to do that all the way across for my cupcake. So I'm just going to bring these all the way across like this. Now, after I have this, I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw a little line that curves up. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Just draw a little curved line. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves around, and it's going to come up to here. Then starting down here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up, and then I'm just going to go down and then curve back up, and I'm going to come right around to here. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up, and then I'm going to go down and then curve back up in here. Then starting here, I'm going to curve up just a little bit, go down and then curve up higher and then curve it down to here. Now, on top of here, there's lots of things you could add. You could put, like a cherry, you could put a candle, you could just make a little top, whatever. So let's say I want to put a cherry on here. Lots of cupcakes have cherries on them. So to draw this, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that just curves up and then down like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that just curves up and down again. Then right here, I'm going to draw a long curved line. And then another one. And then I'm just going to connect them. Now, so here is a basic cupcake. Now, there's lots of other things you guys can add to it as well. So you could add sprinkles. So I'm just going to draw some little circles on here for sprinkles. And I'm going to put these all over here in different places. And I'm also going to draw a few of them off of the side. So I'm just going to put some half circles off of the side just to show that there are sprinkles on the sides as well. So I'm just going to put a few of these around here. And I'm just going to put some more around here like this. Now, you could leave it like this. You could always make it cartoony. You could give it a face. So if you want to give it a face, just go ahead and draw two big circles for eyes. Then you can always put two more little circles inside of it that we can color around later. Then you can always give a little mouth. And put a little tongue in there. Then you can always color this in. Then what I like to do is I'm going to add just some lines on here, but I'm just going to leave a little bit of space on them. So I'm just going to draw them kind of down at an angle. Just like this, just to show where the wrapper of the cupcake is. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon cupcake. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.